Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use push to talk in Arc Raiders on PS5. So first of all, on PS5 push to talk is mapped to the D-pad down button. You can set it either as toggle to talk or push to talk, and I'll show you how both work. I'm actually on Xbox right now, but the steps are exactly the same on PS5. First, press start, go into settings, then head over to the audio tab at the top. Scroll down to the voice chat section and make sure voice chat is turned on. If this is off, proximity chat won't work at all. For party chat, I personally use open mic. That way I don't have to press any buttons to talk to my teammates. You can change this to push to talk, where you hold the button to speak, or toggle, where you tap it once to turn the mic on and tap again to turn it off. My setup is open mic for party chat and toggle to talk for proximity chat. You can switch it to push to talk if you prefer, where you need to hold the button down the entire time you're talking. Once that's set, go back to the home. With toggle to talk enabled, just press down on the D-pad. You will see a small yellow speaker icon pop up next to your name in the corner. That means proximity chat is active. Press it again and the icon disappears, turning it off. If you're using push to talk instead, you simply hold the D-pad down to talk, and as soon as you release it, the mic turns off. And that's how you use push to talk on PS5. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.